Up for sale, 1969 Corvette Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Corvette Convertible, finished in Lemans blue with blue interior. A lot of really cool things about this car. And of course, I'm going to go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. And yeah, for starters, frame off restoration, the underneath is outstanding. I mean, you can see every single new part on the underneath, and I took some nice pictures for detail. Previous owner of 12 years had the restoration done. But I want to point out this mark right here because it's in the front, and there's actually, oh, let me just show you that little one right there. But as far as like stone chips, door edge stuff from regular use, nothing. Just a couple things like that I'm going to point out. But the quality of the paint, I mean, the finish on the body, the finish in the door jamb, stuff like that, it's outstanding. And I think there's only like 4 along these lines on the car. Of course, new chrome bumper, new grille. You see the spoiler down there is new, where the license plate connects to is new. So everything here is done. The headlights go up and down as they should, and that door fitment is fantastic. Now, one thing I did not point out is the L88 hood. They used some L88 styling on the car, and I'm a big fan of that. So let me just go over this section here real quick. Show you that. We'll go over here. Actually, you know what? I see right there. I actually missed that. A little mark right here. But again, look at the finish here as we're going over. The shine, look at that. Let me pop the hood. Best part of the car, in my opinion. Which is actually kind of interesting too. Interesting thing about it. But let me put the hood in real quick. Look at that. Okay. First off, L88 air cleaner on it for the L88 hood. Very interesting information. I'm going to spend some time here. It's got the winner's cast. You can make it out. Aluminum heads on both sides. Aluminum intake. I got to take a picture of the carburetor, but I know it's a nice carburetor on there. Again, you can see down there, the control arms are all fresh, all the components. The hoses are correct with the GM and the score and the logos. I mean, look at beautiful. All of this is in here. I mean, everything is new and replaced. Power 4-wheel disc brakes as well, always a bonus. Aluminum water pump. Now, here's the interesting thing. And I'd love to hear if anybody knows anything. It's a 396-3512 cast block. So it's a 427 or a 454. The suffix normally tells you what it is. Now let me walk over to that side and read it to you. I wish I did write down. It's T05237BL. I literally can't find anything on the suffix BL. I looked online, I looked on forums, I looked everywhere that I normally look to decode this. I can't find it. It's like a mystery. And that would tell me exactly what it is, 427 or 454, and I just can't find it. On the back, there's no dial and no date code, so it's making me think that it's an over-the-counter engine. Anything that I wrote down, CONV2, GM5 is on this side. I see the letter B there, and again, I marked no dial. So I'm just gonna, keep that just because I was expecting to look down there and see information, and there was nothing. So it's kind of a mystery what this is. Either way, looks like an L88 427. That's kind of the styling they went with. Wrapped headers on there, and I love the winner's cast heads. I love them. What a great thing to put on the car. See how nice all of this is in here. Look at the fan, whatnot. Really, just absolutely beautiful. I mean, all this is all new at some point. And look at the quality there. I mean, it's not, hard-driven stuff like that. But anyway, you can see there, new vacuums, all the new components down there as well. So it's a Muncie M21 trans, 4-speed, of course. But this just blows my mind. So it's interesting. If anybody knows what BL is, let me know. I'd be curious. And okay, we'll move on down the driver's side of the car as always. It's got the, for looks, of course, bias ply Firestone wide ovals with the correct rallies on there. How you love seeing it. And then one of the other few blemishes that I mentioned you'll see is this right there. That rocker panel down there is like new. And again, you see here, no door edge chips, no stone chips here. So again, a car that was driven a lot would have some of those blemishes there just from, you know, general use, and it doesn't. Excuse me. No stone chips here, again, you know, pointing that out. Of course, the top was replaced. They still have the sticker on there. No rips in the top, always kept up. Now hopping in the car here. Blue interior, all redone. Tilt and telescopic wheel as well. It's got the 4-speed trans. It's even got the little 427 L88 tag down there, which is just neat that they did that. But again, look, everything new here. Weather stripping, little stuff like that. New door panel as well. All this is new. It has a reassigned VIN in the state of Idaho at some point prior to him acquiring it in 2011. And there's your trim tag. It was originally maroon with black interior. So again, just speaking for the quality of the restoration to do a total color change like that and the interior. Look at the beautiful finish there on the door jamb. And seats with the blue seat belts, those are like new. Carpet is like new. I have a floor mat for the driver's side just to keep the carpet extra clean. I said tilt and telescopic, which is just cool. You see the tilt there. You see a little blue on the dash, or a little wear on the dash here, and a little bit there. Look how nice all that is. I really like that they did that. That's cool. High RPM tack as well. New speedometer, just the cable was just installed by us. And I have this book here. Kendall A. Kimmin, owner's name. 69 with the manual in there. Just something neat to have. Let me just refocus my camera here. Okay. Look how nice the chrome is. Beautiful back here. Reverse lights work. A little mark right there. No stone chips again. No stone chips, no door edge marks, once again. Rocker panel, fantastic. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com. A little crack there, probably why that's there. And eBay, both things will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. Let us know. And again, no cracks in the dash pad. 69 Corvette, frame off restored. Even these are new, the screws are new. Lemans blue. Blue interior. And here's one of those the last larger blemish on the car that I mentioned. 4-speed, power disc brakes, aluminum heads and intake, excuse me. And yeah, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Can't see much.
I know, I hate that spot.
Iron green, give me the green arrow. Hey, I got the green arrow. Let's go race the Firebird. And you could tilt the wheel, bring it out for the skinny guys. Tilt it up and down, that's nice. The last one I had a hard time getting in. Oh my God. Why do they have to come out and block everything?
I don't know.
Too many trucks. I tell you, they should be at night. I know. Every morning I hear accidents. They tip over, they crash. People hit them, they hit others. Maybe that's what he thinks his pictures now. Jim thought that was me.
I know.
I want to know, yeah. Did you hear an engine blow along with it? Oh, okay.
Is that it?
It's up to you.
I guess that's fine.
You want to show a little...
I mean, we could have got on it a little bit. Yeah.
I will let him get up and I'll turn around and I'll pull in.
Yeah. Do like a Rich Chandler in the Mustang that he had. And that was only third gear.
TV boy. Let's get right through him.